These solved questions are from Skillyogi's guidebook. The link is given in the description below. Here is the answer to the question: how did Ananthakrishna Iyer and Sarat Chandra Roy come to practice social anthropology? Answer: Ananthakrishna Iyer and Sarat Chandra Roy were pioneering figures who contributed significantly to the development of social anthropology in India, even though they came to practice this discipline by accident rather than through formal training. Iyer initially worked as a clerk and later became a college teacher in Ernakulam. In 1902, he was asked by the Dewan of Cochin to assist with an ethnographic survey of the state, which sparked his interest in anthropology. Despite lacking formal qualifications, Iyer worked voluntarily as the unpaid superintendent of ethnography for the British government, conducting ethnographic surveys. His work was appreciated by British anthropologists and administrators, leading to academic appointments and recognition. On the other hand, Sarat Chandra Roy was a lawyer who became interested in tribal society and customs while working as an interpreter in the Ranchi court. He extensively travelled and conducted fieldwork among tribal communities in the Chota Nagpur region, producing valuable monographs and research articles on their culture and society. Roy's contributions were recognized by anthropologists in India and Britain, and he founded the journal Man in India. Despite being amateurs without formal training, Iyer and Roy's experiences, dedication, and keen observations led them to practice social anthropology and make significant contributions to the understanding of Indian society and cultures at a time when the discipline was non-existent in India. Visit Skillyogi today. Become a Skillyogi member to access all our website content and get doubt clearing support on WhatsApp. This guidebook is available as a downloadable PDF and in printed book format, with cash on delivery options. Get the link in the description below.